So, okay, first of all, you need to know there are four viewports, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are four viewports. You can set also this viewport in two. I don't know that there is my perspective and there is my top 2D view. Okay, that's the thing. Or you can here click and make it three viewport like this. So that's the thing. So basically, if you have maybe 2D floor plan or a PDF JPG drawing, so you can put this your JPG in 2D view and make it your modeling like this and control it from perspective as a perspective here. So basically, first of all, you need to know about here customize, and then you need to know unit setup. So what unit you prefer to put in 3ds max in that is metric or fps? So maybe you select this centimeter. Meters is very a large value. Work on meter in 3ds max that you feel some difficulties. Let's explain that. So just for example, you want to know that maybe you set this value in meter. Okay, just example, you are a lot of know about this matter, so just showing for you. Maybe this is also here meter. Okay, meter and then meter. So just for example, if you set this value in meter, so what's the problem do you face later? So maybe I need to create chamfer over this edge. So if I click, so maybe convert it to editable poly, I click this edge, and for example, you need to chamfer over here. So chamfer means here you can chamfer, click the chamfer box, not here, click the box. If you create this chamfer, you know this value is too much. There is 3 meter is very big amount. If you increase this value, too much value going forward like this, you know what I mean? So if you set this value in mm, your work will be very smooth and efficient for to set mm, because mm value is very lower. This count is very few mm, maybe 10 mm, 12 mm, 5 mm. You can control it very smoothly, but you can't this matter in meter. That's why I suggest you, I recommended you to set this value in here. Millimeter is cared about millimeter, you can set it centimeter, because 1 centimeter equal centimeter also very lower, so you can set it centimeter, and here also set it centimeter. So I prefer mm or same, right? That's the first hacks, tips and tricks for you. So meter, it's okay for CAD or maybe other, but 3D, in 3D perspective, you need to work in very detail, like you need to just vertex, and then maybe you need to chamfer over here, or there are a lot of things that you more learn about later. So I suggest you, first of all, customize here, unit setup, set in centimeter and system unit also, and this another viewport, maybe you can take this 2D view. Okay, so T for top, right? Here maybe you need to hide this grid. So what can you do? Press G from keyboard, right? G. So if I press G, your grid is hide. You need to so when you work in 3ds max, you need to apply this command in every day and every moment, trust me. Okay, so G for grid height. Okay, so now I am in top viewport, as you can see here, top. So if I press F from keyboard and just press F. Okay, so F for front. Okay, F for front and L for left. Yeah, so T for top is okay, or L for left. Okay, L for left. So if you press the R from your keyboard, what happened? Let's see. So if you press R from your keyboard, you find this resize options. Okay, So if you want to go to the right view, so you need to press V from your keyboard. So I just press V from my keyboard, press V. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of options you see. As you can see here, if I press V, and then you can find this front view, back view, top view. So basically we are control front, back and top for the first letter of this thing, right? F for front, B for maybe bottom, T for top, B for bottom, L for left. But right is don't work in 3ds Max. So you need to go to the right view. You need to press V in your keyboard, yes, first of all, and then you can find this thing, and then you need to click V here, right view. So if I click right view, your object in face to the right view, right elevation. So I recap this: T for top, P for perspective, and then there is 2 viewport. Maybe you need to go to 1 viewport, maximize this viewport. Press Alt and W here. This working, Alt W. Now share with you. So P for perspective, T for top, L for left, and V for here, a lot of things: perspective, ISO, and right view, camera view. Okay, and then I wanna share you the snapping tool, snapping toggle. Okay, click here and give some point in click, and give some point over here. You need to find here 2 or 3, 2.5 and 2. Okay, you know what I mean. So 3 means when you work on 3D perspective, you need to active the 3 snap. Okay, so maybe I work over here, so maybe I copy. So copy, shift, and then drag. Your object is copy, you know that, right? Instant. So maybe I need to copy this. So I need to attach this object over this point. Okay, so what can I do? I need to active the 3 snap over here, and then press S, and then active your 3 snap like this. As you can see here, press S from your keyboard. Okay, so I need to maybe put this thing over here. So click here and then here. So as you can see, parallel. So how make it this object in parallel? By using snap. That's the work of snap. Okay, so I need to move the object over here and in this x-axis. So click here and then click X to active, click the X over here, and then go to your x-axis and then click over here. You need to practice this thing. Now I need to active y-axis. So click the z-axis. I just click the z-axis and then click, yes, here. There, go to the z. And there and another method, you need to check this direction. So here, as you can see here, a tool. So just for you. So as you can see, that's the very effective tool for these things. So here X, Y, Z and X, Y. You know what I mean? If I click X, your X-axis is active. If I click Y, your Y-axis is active. So if I click Z, your Z-axis then active. So there are too many methods. It's vice versa actually. Actually this is vice versa. You can click over here, active here, and maybe you can click right this. Find this toolbar over here. So go to this toolbar and right click here, access content. So if you don't find this, so click here and then check check the access contents. Okay, when you click X and Y, just click XY and then make sure your magnet enable access content snap toggle active this thing, and then you can move like this any access. Okay, that's the basic thing actually that's mentioned from 3ds Max.